This is our salty sea cat, Coco, and she's become the self-appointed captain of our sailboat.
You're a good little salty sea cat.
She keeps a perfect view of the fishing rod, ready to pounce as soon as we catch something. Always watching every job Dad does, from sail changes to boat repairs. She gets up to plenty of mischief on board, zooming around the deck, climbing up onto the boom.
I think she would fit in there.
We never really knew when she'd be ready to sail. We just tried it. We first found Coco in a small village in Fiji. The moment we brought her back to the boatyard, her energy and zest for life came out. There was endless action, other boats, ladders to climb. She absolutely loved growing up in the boatyard. We did worry about her. She was a little seasick at first. So we put her in a tiny life jacket. After a few days of sailing, and especially after catching her first fish, she started to fully embrace her new life. She's definitely growing more curious and inquisitive about new cultures, new smells.
You happy? You were happy with sailing?
When wildlife appears, such as dolphins, birds, she becomes completely mesmerised. Do you think she's ready for the new dinghy? Her favourite place on board is the cockpit, where she keeps a perfect view. What stood out most was how playful she was. One of her favourite games is sneaking up on her dad from above to surprise him. She loves copying Dad and following him around. Coco has become the heart of our floating home. Our plans for her future are simple: to continue to show her the world. She has lived an extraordinary life already, and we can't wait to see where her curiosity leads her next.
Okay, friends not food?